You know, my dad used to always say to me, son, you keep knocking on that door and it's going to eventually open for you. And I guess I now understand that if you keep knocking, then the opportunity eventually presents itself. Well, you know, a door isn't a door without a doorknob. So you could thank this next inventor for inventing the door, because he invented the doorknob. You know, stay tuned, you'll see.
Hey man, open up, let me in.
I can't.
I can't.
Well, there's got to be some way out.
I'm trying to get in.
I can't get out.
I can't get in.
At that moment, after witnessing his first B&E, Osborne Dorsey conceived the idea of a turning doorknob. This invention changed the way we open doors forever. Thank you, Osborne Dorsey, for inventing the doorknob.